Hi, this is Alma, and I want to share my floating shelves. They are like wood looking, but they're faux wood. It has, you can see the little wood grain across here in the tops. It comes in a pack of 4. They're nice and thick, and it comes with all the hardware to install them, and they look really nice. I have 2 here and 2 in my other bathroom, and they're 15, almost 15 3/4 inches wide, and about 5.5 inches deep. They're a very nice size, and they hold a decent amount of weight. I don't recall the amount of weight, but I have 2 in this bathroom and 2 in my other bathroom, and I think they look really nice and they work well for me. And I am very, very, very satisfied with my purchase.